What's going on, guys? Today I want to share with you what I think is the ultimate pressure washer setup for detailing. So let's go ahead and get to it. So here we have the Kranzle 1622 total shut off. It just came out this week. It has specs of 1.7 gallons per minute at 1700 psi. It has adjustable flow, and I have attached the MTM Hydro Quick Connect for the larger hose. A 50-foot hose is what I usually prefer. It gives you plenty of room to go around the car and just a little bit extra. And then over here we have the MTM Hydro SG28. This is one of the cheaper models compared to the ones with the swivel heads. I prefer this one because I've heard some potential of leaking with the other ones, and trying to stay on somewhat of a budget. And then the tips I have are 3.5. And then finally we have the MTM PF22 foam cannon. The newer model has a different base or a different bottle, but that is about the only difference to my knowledge. So let me get it all hooked up so you guys can see it in action. Alright, we got all the air purged out of the line. I'm going to do a spray down of the car with just water, and then I'll grab you guys and show you what the foam cannon looks like. Alright, now I'm going to attach the foam cannon, and you can see there's pretty good pressure. I can feel some power in the gun itself, and the unit is just so quiet. Now I also want to mention that the soap that I'm using is not very sudsy, so the amount of foam that I'm getting out of the foam cannon is very well. I'm using Meguiar's Hyper Wash. It's safe on ceramic coatings. So, and this 2009 Civic is ceramic coated. So that's the reason why I'm using that soap. As the Ryobi that I've had for many years now. I've had probably 2 or 3 of these. These seem to last me about 2 years, and then they crap out on you. But for the money, given the fact that this is $100 and some change compared to around $1,000, really can't beat it. But I anticipate this thing lasting 5 times, 6 times what the Ryobi will. So if that's the case, then I'll be at least breaking even, and I'll have a much more powerful unit as well as a much more quality unit. And not to mention a much quieter unit. Now the audio might not notice it too much in the audio, but the decibel rating is super low on this. I will have a comparison of the 2 pressure washers, this Kranzle and the Ryobi, in the upcoming weeks. But for the time being, the output of decibels is 84. When I've tested it, it's only come up to be in the 70s, so it really can't complain. The auto shutoff, that is the new feature for this year. Like I said, this just came out a week ago. The auto shutoff is a freaking must. This is the first Kranzle I've ever owned. Done a lot of research. Figured these things are really nice. I figured give it a shot, and was fortunate enough to be able to get one. So if this isn't within your financial budget, I would definitely recommend it. It is a freaking awesome pressure washer if you're just a detailing fanatic. But yeah, let's finish up this detail here. And this is why ceramic coatings are so cool.